try Cliffhanger. Double black. Double black, double black. All right, double black. I would say Abby and Jade just keep going 9 mile and meet us.
Really think I can do it?
Yeah, take it nice and obviously look how Trey's doing. Easy, buddy.
Yeah, he thinks he gets too cocky.
Yeah,
Where's the steep part? Right there?
No, after that hump. I'll meet you at the bottom. Meet you over there.
I want to see him first.
Yeah,
I'm
just.
scared.
But I would go, you know, all through the mountain, side to side.
I'm not good at it. I don't know how to do that.
No, I'm saying like a nice and slow snake. S. You got it.
I'm starting to crap my pants a little bit.
Yep.
I'm scared. You know what?
Be behind you. Okay, I'll follow you guys. Renee and Andie crushing a double black. Okay. See how they do. Careful here. You got it, nice and easy, huh? Good job. Yeah, this is the steep part, as you can see, nice and slow. Good job. Woo. There. Nice job, guys. Nice job, Renee.
That was pretty easy.
That was, yeah, good.